Today we will be testing a trend reversal indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend reversal indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 345 different strategies, with 111 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 243 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,027 indicators, with 429 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend reversal indicator. And so the source video says, spot trend reversals easy with these free signals. And so of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what the strategy can do, see what the indicator can do, I guess I should say. And since this is just a single indicator and there isn't too much to this, I think what we'll do is just go ahead and put this one on the indicator testing spreadsheet and not the strategy testing spreadsheet. And so basically what we have is an indicator that's switching color, creating these clouds of coloration and producing these kind of diamonds right here. And as the coloration in the clouds are switching from one to another, that's the indication of the trend direction change. And so the indicator itself is called the high-low cloud trend. Now the problem is, if you search that on the TradingView indicator search, there we go. Popped up right there, and that's because I actually added this one to my favorites. And so if you search this just without adding it to your favorites first, it actually won't come up for some reason. And so the easiest thing to do is just go into the indicators and type in chart prime like so, and click on the name right here like so. And then go down, click on the scripts, and it's going to be this first one right here. If it isn't the first one, then you can search the high dash low like so, hit OK, and it should pop up somewhere here within the search results, or you could type in high-low cloud as well, high-low cloud trend if you wanted to be more exact, and it should be the only result right here. Go ahead and click on that indicator there, scroll down and click right here. It says remove from my favorites. That's because I've already added it to my favorites. And so right here it should say add to favorites. Click that and add it to your favorites. Jump back over to the chart, and what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and refresh this page here, and then jump into the indicators, go to your favorites, and then within here you should be able to find the chart prime high-low cloud right here. Go ahead and click that and add it to your screen. And so now that we've had it added to the screen, what we're going to do is keep the settings on the default. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for when the cloud is orange like this here. And once the cloud is orange, again, that's giving us an overall trend direction to the downside, a short trend direction. We're then going to look for a diamond to appear like this here. And when that diamond appears, you can see that it's actually one bar into the future here. When that diamond appears, that's going to be our signal to then enter into a short. And so what you can do is you can set a trade up in this area, but you can see sometimes price comes back and touches this line. And so what we have is the upper line here and a lower line. This lower line is supposed to be a significant area of support or resistance depending on which trend direction we're in. And so the idea is to set a trade right at this line, have it come back and trigger when price touches that, but it may not produce the diamond like it does here. If you want a little bit more confirmation, you can wait for that diamond to appear. When it does, that'll be your signal to enter into a short. We want to put our trade right there and put our stop just right above that diamond, right about where these numbers are, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see it takes a little bit, but we make this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for, so we are looking for the blue coloration cloud to appear. Then we're looking for price to pull back and touch that line and produce this diamond here, a blue diamond. And when that happens, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right at, again, these numbers right below that diamond there and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward, see how it plays out. Alright, so we just kind of run into consolidation there for a moment. Then we make this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 24 winning trades and 26 losing trades, putting it at a 48% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $14,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,400 for an overall gain of $4,000 altogether. So not too bad of a indicator, especially for a standalone indicator. And so it didn't do too horrible at all. Compare that to the Academy Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 32 trades altogether. We had 26 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $7,200 for an overall gain of $8,400. So definitely better results. But again, this strategy or this indicator did pretty well, again, on its own. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Recently, we have developed a crypto scalping strategy. You can see some of the trades on screen now that we've taken using that strategy. So some really decent results. If you're interested in viewing the strategy video on this, you can click the link up in the corner now and it'll take you to that video. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list and we'll move on to the next video from here.